typical package unit swap out. We're using a crane here. It's Smiley Crane. They have over 500 cranes. We could either do a unit same day or next day. On average, a new package unit is around $8,000 to $10,000. We prefer to use Goodman's. This unit coming off here is actually an old unit for a customer, and it was an over and under unit. We actually had to convert the elbow to side by side, which is a little bit of a process. Smiley Crane is very convenient and also readily available, so we really love them. And we're putting a new Goodman on here. This is a Goodman M unit. It's a 5-ton 14 SEER. Now they're 13 and a half SEER rating due to the new government regulations. So we're setting this new unit here. See how it's a side by side there. Means the supply and the return are next to each other versus one on top of the other like the old unit we took off here. So we had to put a new elbow. Bailey's over there getting ready to set this new unit